Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to change your CapCut nickname. Updating your nickname adds a personal touch and makes your profile stand out. So, let's get started on how to change your CapCut nickname. First, open the CapCut app on your mobile device. Tap on the Me option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, tap on the Edit Profile option. Here you can see the nickname option. Tap on it. Clear your current nickname and enter the new nickname. Finally, tap the Done button and save the changes. And this is how you can change your CapCut nickname. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.